What should you do if you have gum disease? Well, here's what you probably heard already. Get healthier, fix your diet, brush and floss, use creams, try antibiotics, try rinses, and even consider surgery. These aren't terrible suggestions, but if you've tried only these, you know they don't really work. Why? Because there are a lot of things that mess up your gums. The worst one is acidic bacteria. It attaches to your teeth and eats away at the minerals at the surface, eventually rotting away at the gum lining. This is what is responsible for the receding gums. Good luck fighting acidic bacteria with creams or rinses. It doesn't work. What most people should do is get something that cleanses their mouth from this acidic bacteria and repairs their gums from the roots. That's exactly why remineralizing gum was created. Remineralizing gum is a dentist-approved chewing gum that is specially designed to soothe and repair your gums from the ground up. Here's how it works. When plaque builds up around your teeth and gums, it will eat away at an important mineral called hydroxyapatite. This is what weakens your enamel and causes all of your gum problems. So, to fix this issue for good, all we need to do is simply take this mineral that is being drawn out of the tooth and bring it back so it can bond and strengthen your gums from the ground up. That's exactly what remineralizing gum does. It contains hydroxyapatite, the same mineral your teeth and gums are losing over time. So, as you chew the gum, this mineral will bond to your enamel, making your teeth and gums stronger and allowing you to greatly lower the risk of future cavities. If you chew this gum for a few weeks, you will notice no more pain. After 1 month, you may find that your gums start to strengthen. And after 2 months, if you go to a checkup with your dentist, he would probably say that your gums look healthier than ever before. With over 1,200 peer-reviewed studies backing its ingredients, this gum has been proven to work. So if you want to join the revolution of over 60,000 plus customers who improve their oral health with simple natural solutions, you're going to need this gum. Get yours in the link below.